friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you easy breakfast recipe, egg bites that you can easily make at home with no time. So here I have taken 6 eggs. I am showing you 2 ways to make these egg bites. Take one bowl and crack 4 eggs. I am using spoon here to crack the eggs. Now using hand whisker or fork, whisk the eggs properly. Once it is done, now add half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Again whisk it until everything mixed together. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped green pepper. This is totally optional. If you like the veggies, you can add it. 2 tablespoon of chopped onions, red bell pepper and 1 chopped green chili. This is totally optional, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro or dhania. Now give it a quick mix. Veggies are totally optional, but it will give a nice flavor to this recipe. Take this type of egg bite mold. You can find it on Amazon easily. Now start filling the cavities using this mixture that we have prepared, the egg mixture, and do not overfill the cavities. Leave little bit of space in each cavity as I am showing you here. After filling the mold, as you have seen, I have left a little bit space. Cover it with the lid. If you do not have lid, you can just cover it with the foil paper. Seal it tightly, and this is how it looks like. Now take your instant pot. Add 1 cup of water in it, and now place a trivet or egg rack, and on top of that place this egg bite tray or mold. Cover the lid, and the whistle is on sealing. And now press the pressure cook function for 8 minutes on high pressure. Once it is done, then I will show you. After 8 minutes, it shows the low sign. At this point, cancel the pressure cook function and manually release the pressure. Wait until the pin went down and carefully remove the instant pot lid. After that, carefully remove the egg bite mold from the instant pot. Now open the lid, and you have seen it's properly done by its color. Slightly loosen it with the help of knife. Now these came out so easily because we are using here the silicone mold, and it's done. It's already looks so yummy and tempting. Similarly, remove all the egg bites from the mold, and this is how the egg bites looks like. I'll show you the closer view. It's already looks so yummy and tempting. And if you are non-vegetarian, instead of vegetables you can use non-veg. For the second method, if you don't have this type of egg silicone tray, you can use these type of ceramic bowls. Small bowls you can find easily anywhere. Now grease it with the help of oil or butter. Apply generous amount of oil. After that, here I have prepared the mixture of 3 eggs using the same process, and now fill the mixture in these bowls. Do not overfill the bowl. After that, I am going to add mozzarella cheese on top of that. This is totally optional. Take a piece of foil paper and cover it tightly. Do the same with the second bowl. Cover it with the foil paper. Now these are ready to go in the instant pot. Now similar way, place these bowls on the tray or on the trivet in the instant pot. Cover the lid, and the whistle is on sealing mode, and press the pressure cook function and on high pressure for 12 minutes because we are cooking it in the ceramic bowl, so it will take little bit more time. Once it is done, then I will meet you. Now it shows low sign. At this point, cancel the pressure cook function Release the pressure manually. Wait until the pin went down. Open the lid and now remove the bowls carefully. Now carefully remove the foil and you have seen it's properly done. The cheese is properly melted. You have seen by the color also. I'll show you the closer view so that you have an idea. And the second one, this is also properly cooked and the cheese is properly melted. Now it is important to loosen it with the help of knife from all the corners. Otherwise it will stick. Just do it with the knife and take one plate, and just like we are flipping the cakes, do it like so, and this is how beautifully it came out and it's properly cooked. And this is the cheesy one and these are the vegetable ones. They are ready to serve hot in the morning time when you are in hurry. And if you like this recipe of easy egg bites, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.